Thank you, Madam Chair. For the record, my name is Don Wynn out of Tacoma. I'm representing myself. On video here, sorry about that. I'm representing myself, my family, and my community. I am in opposition to 5217. I'm a first-generation Vietnamese American. My parents were refugees. These inherited experiences led me to be co-founder of a Washington-based nonprofit where I work towards increasing the diversity, equity, inclusion, and social justice in mountaineering and other outdoor sports. I'm in opposition to 5217 because of how ableist it is in its execution and language. My profession is a hunting guide. I take folks with many different physical abilities out in the mountains to hunt. Among these people are young people, disabled folks, seniors. Often these hunters use shorter, lighter rifles. Part of the bill that concerns me, the bill states any centerfire rifle or rimfire rifle under 30 inches. It's so vague and broad. It's basically saying most firearms, from big game rifles to squirrel guns. Folks who are able-bodied can easily find arms that are longer and larger than this arbitrary size restriction, but folks who have advanced age or disabilities will be directly impacted. Small-bodied and disabled shooters will be forced out, limited further from hunting and many other shooting sports because this bill is written from the perspective of an able-bodied person. Another point of contention I have with this bill is that it is incredibly classist. If this law passed, it would disproportionately affect folks who are less wealthy and privileged, and by extension, this law would mostly affect owners of these arms who are persons of color and other marginalized identities. The grandfather clause in the bill states owners of rifles encompassed by this bill could still possess and use them on their own property or at a licensed shooting area. Imagine all the folks who don't have a lot of land to go shooting on or cannot afford range membership fees and instead shoot on public land to save money. 5217 is not intersectional lawmaking. Like many other regressive laws, it hardly affects the wealthy white folks who own land, doesn't affect police and soldiers in other wings of the state, and it disproportionately affects the poor, the disabled, and many communities of color. I urge you not to support this bill. Thank you so much.
Thank you.